We're starting with breaking updates coming in. President Donald Trump has said that the United States has attacked Iran, hitting 3 nuclear sites in Fordo, Natanz, as well as Esfahan. In fact, he has said that we have completed a very successful attack on the 3 nuclear sites in Iran. That's the update that has come from the US President Donald Trump. Remember, over the last few days, there had been a lot of speculations on whether the United States will enter the Israel-Iran conflict or not. Now, the president had previously, Donald Trump had said that we will decide the next 2 weeks. That's what the White House had said. He himself had said, I may or may not enter. Nobody knows what I'll do. Now, look at this tweet that has come in, a post that has come in on social media, where he says we have completed a very successful attack on the 3 nuclear sites in Iran, including Fordo. This is a very, very important site for Iran. Natanz as well as Esfahan, all planes are now outside of Iran airspace. A full payload of bombs was dropped on the primary site Fordo. Like we mentioned, this is the most significant site. Israel had said that it intended to hit this site, but it did not have the capability to do so, saying very clearly that the help of United States would be required to hit Fordo, which is about 250 to 300 feet below the ground next to a mountain. So all planes are safely on their way home. That's the update that President Trump has put out. Congratulations to our great American warriors. There is not another military in the world that could have done this. Now is the time for peace. This is very important. What would be the reaction of Iran? Iran had previously said if the United States decides to enter the war between Israel and Iran, there will be consequences. That's what the Supreme Leader has said. But now Donald Trump going on to say, now is the time for peace. Thank you for your attention to this matter. The question is this going to be a time for peace, or is Iran going to retaliate? Is it going to begin the counter-strike or not? That is the big question.